Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bin assembly in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bin assembly. The ice bin assembly is mounted inside the ice making compartment in the left side door. It collects, crushes, and dispenses the ice cubes on demand. If the ice bin doesn't stay in place or the crusher stops working, check the ice bin assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. To get to the part, we need to open this door. If you follow the pictures here, we're going to pull on this latch to open, or we're going to push it to close. So we're going to open it and get inside. Look what's inside. It's a treasure. To remove the ice bin assembly, we're going to pull it up slightly and then pull out the bottom. This is the old ice bin assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And we're going to install a new ice bin assembly. The top goes first. Lift it up slightly, and the bottom, and push it down. And now we can close and latch the ice maker compartment door. And now we can close the doors. I usually start with the left side, and then I can close the right side. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.